Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that matters to all of us. How to look younger as we age. We all want to stay young forever, don't we? Of course, there's no magic bullet, but there are some things we can do to feel and look younger. Today, we'll explore 8 vegetables and fruits that can help us. Stick with me to find out what they are and how they'll help you look and feel younger and healthier. Let's start strong with broccoli. This vegetable is not only tasty, but also very nutritious. But why is it so good for those over 50? Broccoli has a lot of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps us a lot. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, a substance that makes our skin elastic and firm. As we get older, collagen decreases and wrinkles appear. But vitamin C isn't broccoli's only weapon. It also has other antioxidants that fight free radicals. What are free radicals? They are tiny things that harm our cells and make us age faster. How can we eat more broccoli? We can steam it, boil it, roast it, or even eat it raw in salads. A little lemon and olive oil, and you have a delicious and healthy dish. Don't forget, prevention is key. Start eating broccoli today and give your skin the care it deserves. Next up is another green vegetable that should always be on our table: spinach. This vegetable is packed with nutrients that make us feel young and full of energy. Spinach has a lot of vitamin A, which is very important for our skin. Vitamin A helps renew skin cells, making it look brighter and younger. But that's not all. Spinach also contains iron, a mineral that carries oxygen throughout our body, even to the skin. When our skin has enough oxygen, it's healthy and radiant. How can we eat more spinach? We can enjoy it raw in salads, boiled as a side dish, or even in smoothies. Try different recipes and find the one you like best. Don't forget, our diet plays a big role in our health and appearance. When we eat nutrient-rich foods, like spinach, we're giving ourselves a wonderful gift. Let's talk about a vegetable we all love, the carrot. Besides its sweet taste, the carrot holds a secret weapon to help us look younger. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that our body turns into vitamin A. Beta-carotene acts like a natural sunscreen, protecting our skin from the sun's harmful rays. The sun can make our skin age faster, causing wrinkles, spots, and sagging. By eating carrots, we help our skin protect itself from this damage. How can we eat more carrots? We can enjoy them raw, boiled, roasted, or even in juices. Combine them with other fruits and vegetables for a nutritious and refreshing drink. Don't forget, sun protection is very important to keep our youthful look. And carrots can become our best friend in this effort. Chapter 4. Avocado, nature's beauty cream. Now let's move on to a fruit that has become very popular, the avocado. And for good reason, because avocado is full of nutrients that are good for the whole body, including the skin. Avocado has many healthy fats. These fats moisturize the skin from the inside out, making it look healthier and younger. Besides healthy fats, avocado also has vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E also helps prevent premature aging, keeping the skin elastic and firm. How can we eat more avocado? We can enjoy it plain in salads, in sandwiches, or even in desserts. Yes, you heard right. Avocado also works in sweet recipes, giving a creamy texture and a special flavor. Don't hesitate to try avocado in your kitchen. You'll be surprised how easy to use and delicious it is. Chapter 5. Berries, small fruits, big power. It's time to talk about berries, these small fruits that pack a big punch. Strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, all of them are full of antioxidants that fight aging. Berries have many anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants that give berries their wonderful color. Anthocyanins protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, keeping it youthful and radiant. Besides anthocyanins, berries also contain vitamin C, which, as we mentioned earlier, helps produce collagen. Collagen, remember, is the protein that gives our skin elasticity and firmness. How can we eat more berries? We can enjoy them fresh, frozen, in smoothies, in yogurt, or even in desserts. Add them to your breakfast for a tasty and nutritious start to your day. Don't forget, variety is key in a balanced diet. Try eating different types of berries to benefit from all their nutrients. Chapter 6. Tomatoes. Red color, youthful look. We continue with another red fruit. Yes, the tomato is a fruit. That should not be missing from our table, the tomato. The tomato, besides its wonderful taste, holds a secret weapon for our youthful appearance. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their characteristic red color. Lycopene protects the skin from sun damage, preventing premature aging. In addition to lycopene, tomatoes also contain vitamin C, which, as we know, helps produce collagen, keeping our skin firm and elastic. How can we eat more tomatoes? We can enjoy them fresh in salads, in sandwiches, in sauces, or even in juices. Don't hesitate to add tomatoes to every meal, adding color and flavor to your plate. Don't forget, nature generously offers us its treasures. All we have to do is incorporate them into our daily lives. Chapter 7. Red bell peppers, a burst of flavor and vitamin C. Let's move on to a vegetable that adds color and deliciousness to our dishes, the red bell pepper. Besides its sweet and slightly spicy taste, the red bell pepper is also an important source of vitamin C. Vitamin C, as we mentioned earlier, is essential for collagen production, the substance that makes our skin elastic and firm. By eating foods rich in vitamin C, we help our skin maintain its youthful appearance. In addition to vitamin C, red bell peppers also contain antioxidants such as beta-carotene and lutein, which protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. How can we eat more red bell peppers? We can enjoy them raw in salads, roasted, stuffed, or even in sandwiches. Add them to your meals to add color, flavor, and nutrients. Don't forget, our diet doesn't have to be boring. Try different vegetables and fruits, discovering new and delicious combinations. Chapter 8. Pomegranate, the king of renewal. We conclude our journey into the world of fruits and vegetables with a symbolic fruit, the pomegranate. The pomegranate, besides its unique taste, is also known for its beneficial properties for health and beauty. Pomegranate has many polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect skin cells from damage. The polyphenols in pomegranate help renew cells, making the skin look younger and more radiant. In addition to polyphenols, pomegranate also contains vitamin C, which, as we know, helps produce collagen, keeping the skin firm and elastic. How can we eat more pomegranate? We can enjoy it plain, add it to salads, make it into juice, or even use it in desserts. Pomegranate adds a sweet and sour taste and a beautiful color to any dish. Don't forget, nature generously offers us its gifts. Let's accept them with joy and incorporate them into our daily lives. Friends, we've reached the end of today's journey into the world of healthy eating. I hope you had a good time and learned useful things about how to maintain your youthful appearance with the help of fruits and vegetables. Remember, diet plays a very important role in our health and appearance. When we eat nutrient-rich foods, we're giving ourselves a gift. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.